smoky. It's all over in Saskatchewan. All is smoky. Experience is smoky in the sky. See, a wildfire. It's like a 50 to 15 evacuation for today, for this week, because of wildfire coming from the north. So that's the big news for today. See the cloudy and smoky all over in Saskatchewan. See? So it's a blurred and cloudy because of smoke. See? Okay guys, after work is about 5:45 for today, afternoon in Saskatchewan. So that's the issue for today about the wildfire in the north. See, a lots of communities, 51 to 15 communities evacuation. Okay, so that's it for now. So click the button and notification bell for new upcoming upload videos from amazing tips. Okay, so for now, subscribe for the more tips to come and more videos to come. So that's it for now. Okay, see you guys again.